Types of maps. In 3ds Maps, we have basically two categories of maps. We have our bitmaps and procedural maps. Now, bitmaps are 2D images, and they can get pixelated when we zoom in on them. So a regular 2D raster file type thing. And we also have procedure maps, are more computer generated, and they make maps such as noise, tiles, marble, gradient, etc. And when you zoom in on them, they do not get pixelated. So we can come take a look, so really maps provide us with patterns, color adjustments, the visual and optical components of a material. So the simplest way is to apply a map onto the object. We can actually put a regular 2D image right on any object. So we have individual map types such as checker map, bitmap, gradient, flat reflection, and so sometimes the problem we get is called texture maps, and it's really kind of a diffuse map. A texture map applies different colors to the geometry, and some people, when they hear texture, they think of, that it's got a roughness to it, but that's a terminology used in computer graphics. So basically, we have two different types of mappings. We have these bitmaps and procedural maps. Bitmaps are images, and procedural maps are computer generated, or code. And so then we end up having a 2D map and a 3D map. And these 3D maps are essentially the procedural maps, and the 2D maps are image maps, are raster maps, etc.